What's up? It's Rob from Superhuman Bikes with another Photon production update, this time from inside the Photon battery factory. Let's check it out. This video was filmed yesterday, and these are your Photon batteries. Check it out. Samsung cells in there. This is the hardboard that goes around the battery to give it kind of that stiff construction. And the backbone of the battery here, this aluminum piece, it's pre-drilled on both sides, and what we'll do is actually use those holes to attach that to the battery and then attach that battery to the frame of the bike to really give it a sturdy mounting point so it's not just loose taking around in there. And to help with vibration, you see at the bottom of this bracket is a foam fleece, so gravity holds the battery there, and that stops it from vibrating. This is a completed battery, the 48 volt 10.5 amp hour battery. So you're getting a little bonus there if you ordered the Pro, which was spec to a 10 amp, not 10.5 amp hour. This is the battery being built. I won't get too much into the weeds here. A lot going on. You see BMS is being installed there. It's a battery sorting machine, so when batteries come in from Samsung, they get sorted according to their voltages. Make sure we're using the best batteries to build your Photon battery. We have the BMS being installed. Those are the data cables for each individual cell to tell the BMS what voltage it's at, make sure it's doing well. After the batteries are complete, they come here for a full discharge, charge cycle, and all that data, this is really cool, will go into the computer. They scan every single battery and deliver us a report at the end of production on battery capacities, etc. This is the BMS here, and just a quick note on this, I'll pause the video. Most of the BMSs you see in electric bike batteries are just a loose PC board with like tape and paper on either side. It's just kind of stuffed in there with the battery, not your Photon battery that has a custom made. It's got a heat sink here on the bottom, plastic molded case to it. So the level of detail that goes into the production of these bikes is extremely high. We're super excited about the quality here we're getting with each piece. These batteries particularly are awesome. That's the BMS. More batteries here. You see the cables there installed, and I just love this transparent effect. Of course, this is before shrink wrapping, but if we could deliver batteries like that, that'd be super cool. Now, meanwhile, at our assembly factory, these are the motors which have been delivered, and I'll pause here just to read out these numbers, decode them. So 700C, that's the wheel size. This motor was built in year 2024, August 1st. So fresh off the press, these motors are. They were delivered. And some other stuff we're getting here. We've got the rear cassette. That is the, if I can back this up, I can't. It's a Shimano 9-speed rear cassette, 11 to 32. And the Altus 9-speed shifter. Again, these are for the Photon Pro. And here's that Altus 9-speed derailleur. Super cool. Well, that's this whole video. That's my production update, footage from the factory anyways. And let's jump into a couple other items. So in terms of where Photon production is at, it is slowed down just a little bit because of some components. The controller and wiring, those are expected early September, so any day now. The frame dropout, this is the longest lead time component, surprisingly. It's literally what holds the derailleur onto the frame. That's custom made, and expecting that September 20th. The fork, expecting that September 15th. We were hoping to have all these parts by now and be assembling the bikes by now, but that hasn't happened due to these longer lead time components. The frame has a special tool, downtube. That's in progress right now. We're not expecting further delays on that. But these components, with their delivery times as such, put our completion timeline to the end of September for this project to have them all assembled and then shipping out of our factory to you. We continue testing with the glow colors, really just trying to optimize the effect for your bikes with the extra time that we've got here waiting on those components. This is just a picture of the actual phosphorus glow powder that goes into the paint to give it that effect. So you'll see some of these. We've got like a white color, it glows green, white, green, blue, blue, green, green. We've got yellow, green, some different options here that we're working with, testing to really master the colors of the bike, both at daytime and nighttime. Upcoming in this production, motor and battery arrival, that's done. Welding of the frames, that's coming up when we get the dropout and the downtube, and then it's painting, assembly, and shipping. Those steps are quite quick because there's no waiting involved. It's just like, let's go, let's build the bike. So that's where your Photon's at right now. Thank you so much for watching this production update, for your patience with these unexpected pushbacks on those 2-3 components. And we'll keep you updated in the next video. Keep an eye out for that. We'll see you in the next one. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.